I'm Jason Glasby. I've been with Rosero for 3 years. I'm the head of IT. Rosero is a company that's come together through merger and acquisition over the last 5 years. Its two primary brands are Furnware and Siebel. The company is currently about 300 people. It's an even balance across both manufacturing facilities and sales across both the Australian New Zealand market and up into the Asian market as well. Both Siebel and Furnware business are iconic in their own countries in the school furniture manufacturing, have been around and have been founded by people who are passionate about furniture and education. Probably some of the strongest things that make us stand out is that we are Australian made and New Zealand made, and that really is something we're proud of. Furnware business has been using Epicor for about 10 years. We moved and improved that with the Epicor configurator at about 7 years ago, and from there we moved into the cloud 3 years ago. So it's definitely been a continual journey. The product configurator helped us reduce the time to get an order in and into the production and manufacturing, and also standardised a lot of the product that we were manufacturing to make sure that we had efficiencies in the factory as well. From there we moved into the cloud, which really improved our stability and removed business risk for the Furnware business, but also set us up for success with the Siebel business so that we were ready to go on a platform that was stable. The benefits of moving to the cloud was that we don't have to manage our own environment. The upgrades come every 6 months. They move through seamlessly, and it really gives us time to focus on our business, not on our software. The Epicor implementation is going to make us faster and more efficient and more agile right across from sales through into service, down through in manufacturing and into dispatch and delivery, which will really improve our business. We'll be able to fight the competitors. I would recommend anyone in the manufacturing businesses to use Epicor. It's definitely its key strength, and it's why we chose to continue our relationship when we had another business to bring on. It's a company who is continually investing in their products and really bringing it along into the cloud era and also now into the environment of AI. It's a company that continually invests and moves forward, and that's the type of partner that you want, so you keep getting the benefits of their development.